It is March the 9th, 2022. I'm Andy, and this is the Minorcan Mullet Report. From the Port of Brunswick today, out at the Sound, out at the wreck site, we weren't seeing any crane activity, no tugboat activity there. So we figured things have been going on over at the port. It's been a while since we've flown the drone. There was a TFR, a temporary flight restricted area, over the port due to a federal court case that was going on in downtown Brunswick. It kept us out of the air for about a month. It was lifted yesterday, so here we are. We're back, and we're taking a look down at the port. And we see the two tugs that have kind of remaining on the job here. This is the American and the Cheetah, some that we should be familiar with. They had one of the cranes, the boom was down on it. It looked like they had some maintenance going on down on the boom end. Not sure exactly what was going on, but we took a look, and the first thing we noticed was how clean the deck looks. So there's a couple pieces of equipment, a loader and like a skid steer loader machine on the deck of this barge. A little bit of stone material still on it, but the barge itself looks like it's been cleaned up, and everything seems to be kind of getting stacked away. And so the question we're having now is the cleanup out at the site complete? We're not sure. We haven't heard any official word that from the state of Georgia, as the state of Georgia now is kind of the go-to organization for information here, and we're going to try to check in with those guys and try to figure out exactly if this is in fact a completed project now, or is this just moving into another stage. We're not sure, but it really looks like they're cleaning up the deck of these barges exceptionally well, and it would almost lead me to believe that they were coming to the end of their cleanup project. Down at the other end of the port, this is where we saw the Mars operation working right at the end of Bay Street, and we see that one of the barges has a good amount of stone on it, and then one of the hopper barges has a considerable amount of debris. We also noticed that there was a recycle truck on the dock. We passed another recycle truck that was going into the port. So maybe they're in the process of still removing this material. And again, if you look down the barge, they're really taking a lot of work to get this material scraped up out of it, almost to the point that I'm thinking that maybe they're drawing this thing to a completion and they're finishing out. I just don't think they would go to these extents to clean the barges as clean as they are if they still have material to go right back in it. But we see that they still have a bit of material here to unload, and they're putting it on the recycle trucks and into container, roll-on, roll-off containers, bins, if you will, and then they're moving those over to the shore. Good bit of material here still to be picked up, and we kind of look in here, we see some cabling, looks like some tires, car pieces, probably parts of the ship. Just a conglomeration of debris that's left over. Actually, you may even see what was probably a couple of those shipping containers, some of the debris from one of those that they picked up as well. The Minorcan Mullet itself is currently in the repair shop for some maintenance, and we worked that vessel pretty hard for the past year and a half, 2 years or so. So yeah, it's in need of some maintenance. That's taking place now, but hopefully we'll get it back soon. And when we do, we want to get out to the site, maybe drop a magnet over and see if there's anything down there we can fish up. Hey, really would like to thank the Minorcan Navy for sticking with us here on the channel. We know that there was some folks that got a little upset about a report we did over the weekend with some news from the port, and hate that happened. Some people thought that we were making a political statement, which we were not. We were just working the interview to try to get some information from the guys that were processing it. Again, we want to remind folks that, you know, that is a cross-section of America, and probably something we all need to be aware of, as different views are part of what make up this great country. So anyway, thank you guys. There's probably up above a link to the store if you guys are looking for some merchandise. I know we've had some folks who are asking about it. It's available there. If you click there, you can find the store. And that's going to do it for today. We're going to ask, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe link. Send us some comments. But most of all, we want you guys to stay safe out there.